Hi, my name is Mike Gary, and our company is Yardley Wealth Management. One of the things that we try to do here at Yardley Wealth Management is keep our investment strategies and our investments simple. A long time ago, I read by editor of Forbes, I think it was William Baldwin, wrote that he recommended for investors to keep their investments very simple and straightforward. And he told people to buy stocks or bonds or funds that buy stocks or bonds, and that was it, nothing else. And he wrote that anything more complicated than that was probably made by the intermediary, meaning the bank, brokerage firm, or insurance company, to enrich itself at the cost of its clients. And I have generally found that to be the case over the years. So when you buy an individual stock or you buy a fund, the costs are relatively straightforward, they're inexpensive, and it's very easy to sell, again, for a very small price. Some of the other investments that are out there, and it's not the case. There are a lot of investments where you have higher costs, maybe some sales charges, and some deferred sales charges if you want to sell in a short amount of time. You also have more taxes, and a lot of times your holding is not liquid. We found that to be the case a lot recently. People have been sold products, whether they knew it or not, in their accounts where they can't sell without taking a loss in value, or sometimes they can't sell at all. And those are typically hedge funds or private equity funds. Sometimes they're non-traded real estate investment trusts. Sometimes they're BDCs or business development corporations. And I would generally recommend that you avoid those things. They really aren't going to provide higher returns than stocks or bonds in the first place, and you have all the downsides of higher costs, higher taxes, and less liquidity. So that's our strategy, and that's what we believe. Again, it's Mike Gary, my company's Yardley Wealth Management, and if you're interested, give us a call, 267-573-1019, or shoot us an email, mgary@yardleywealth.net. Thanks.